Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a tally counter in Terraria. This essential accessory helps you track enemy kills, a crucial statistic for many players. It's also a vital ingredient for crafting the powerful cell phone, an item that provides a wealth of information. To acquire it, you'll need to venture into the dangerous dungeon biome and defeat certain foes. Let's dive into the details of where and how to find this valuable item. The tally counter is exclusively dropped by 3 distinct enemy types found within the dungeon. These formidable foes are known as Angry Bones, Dark Casters, and Cursed Skulls. You'll encounter these enemies throughout the dungeon's various sections. Remember, the dungeon itself only becomes fully accessible and populated with these specific enemies after you have successfully defeated the boss Skeletron, so make sure that's done first. The drop rate for the tally counter is quite low, with each of the 3 specific enemies having only a 2% chance to drop it. This means you'll likely need to spend some time farming. To maximize your efficiency, consider using battle potions and placing water candles within the dungeon. These items significantly increase the enemy spawn rate, helping you encounter more foes and improve your chances of getting the tally counter more quickly. Once obtained, the tally counter serves a dual purpose. Primarily, it displays the total number of enemies you have defeated in your current world, a useful metric for tracking progress. More importantly, it is a crucial crafting ingredient. You'll combine it with other items to create the Goblin Tech accessory, which then contributes to crafting the PDA, and finally, the ultimate informational item, the cell phone. It's a vital step in acquiring that powerful tool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.